I can hear them damn frogs. There's my baby. Hi, Yanks. What you got? There's Miss Gray. Hi, Miss Gray. Whoa. Ooh, there's Dewis. Your brother's after something. Hey, them frogs. Hi, Rat Rat. Hi, handsome Rat Rat. Yes, your mommy Rat Rat. Who's that handsome man? Hi, handsome. There's Miss Gray. There's Devlin under the shade cloth. Look at that Dewey in the tree. Hey, Day. Look at him way up there. There's Mama. Devlin. And there's Miss Gray. Gorgeous little Miss Gray. What's your mommy's pussy, huh? Are you the most beautiful girl ever? Yes, you are. You are the most beautiful girl ever. Yeah. And there's your brother, Ratman. Hi, pusses. And I'm my babies. Yeah. Your brother's still in the tree. Hi, Devlin. Here's your babies. All right. Bye-bye.